Good morning, everybody. Here we are out in my garage, and the Grand Prix is just chilling. I don't think it's going to be moving for quite a while since it is now winter, kind of. But it needs 3 wheel bearings and 1 tie rod end on the passenger side. So I think it's just going to sit for a bit, unless I absolutely need to drive it. But I did get new wheels. These are Mustang Cobra wheels, actually, 17s. I have the front sitting over here. They're on Mickey Thompson ET Street tires. Pretty sticky. The front I have, actually, they're like RPF1 replicas on some all seasons. I put those on there just in case I do need to drive it, like I said. So, but yeah. This will be chilling in here. The G8 is sitting outside, unfortunately. But this car is quite a bit more like weather and rust resistant than the Grand Prix. So I will drive this if I need to as well. But it won't be going. I don't know how well it's going to do with those summer tires on the back. But I figured I'd show you guys my new winter beater. It's a 07 Chrysler Sebring. Has 167,000 miles. It's got a couple things. Gas door doesn't close. Gauge cluster lights don't turn on. And as of right now, I think the battery is toast. I charged it all night and it still doesn't turn on. Just clicks when you try to start it. Get the charger going on it, but I have a feeling it's just gonna need a new battery. It did start after we charged it last night at my buddy's shop, but it won't start now. It's not bad for, a winter beater. It's in pretty decent shape. I know I'm going to see something in the comments. That's a girl car. It's a winter beater. Doesn't really matter. But it's in good shape. I got a good deal on it. It's got all new tires, new wheel bearings, new ball joints, new tie rod ends, oil change, transmission fluid change. So yeah. It is a 2.4 4-cylinder, so good gas mileage. But yeah. So over winter, I've got a couple things that I plan on doing. Grand Prix is going to get a built transmission. It really needs it. The tranny is pretty tired. Third gear, or the shift into third, is uber slow, and I just don't think it can even put all the power down. So we'll do that, and we'll do the maintenance on it, like the wheel bearings and the tie rod ends. Probably do some stuff in the back with trailing arms and all that. And then hopefully the G8 will be cammed, and we'll rework the tune and stuff. And then we'll just go from there. But as of right now, I plan to let both cars sit unless I absolutely need something to get around if the Sebring breaks for some reason. But yeah. Well, I did get this hoodie. It's from lsxonly.com. On the back, it's got a picture of like engine and brakes and suspension stuff. But pretty cool. So I'll keep you guys updated on the cars when I get more stuff done on them. So yeah. See you guys later.